Nestled in the northern reaches of Bonnie, Scotland, where the land meets the heavens, lies a realm of untamed beauty. This place leaves all who behold it awestruck. Welcome to the Scottish Highlands, a land of myths and legends where the very earth seems to breathe with the spirit of the ancients. Here, nature dons her most regal attire, weaving a tapestry of landscape so breathtaking it seems almost otherworldly. A symphony of green and gold. Rolling hills, as far as the eye can see, come alive in the gentle embrace of the Highland breeze. The lush emerald pastures are punctuated by golden flecks of wildflowers, dancing to the ancient rhythms of the land. These meadows, often carpeted in heather and thistle, paint the countryside in a kaleidoscope of colors that change with the seasons. Majestic lochs and tranquil waters. It is said that the Highlands cradle the soul of Scotland, and their pristine lochs are the very heartbeats of this mystical land. Loch Ness, shrouded in mystery, whispers secrets from its dark depths, while Loch Lomond glistens like a jewel in the sun's tender caress. These mirror-like waters reflect the towering mountains and endless skies above, creating a world where reality and dreams intertwine. The Guardians of the Glen. Mighty Munros and graceful Corbetts, Scotland's mountain sentinels, pierce the heavens with their grandeur. Ben Nevis, the tallest of them all, stands tall in quiet majesty, guarding the Western Highlands like an angel. To stand in their presence is to feel the weight of centuries, as if the very rocks whisper tales of battles and bravery. Mist-laden glens and rugged coastlines. As morning mist curls through the glens, ancient forests come alive with the songs of unseen creatures. It is in these hidden pockets of wilderness that you'll find peace, solitude, and the timeless beauty of untamed nature. Follow the rugged coastlines where cliffs plunge dramatically into the Atlantic Ocean, and where the waves, like wild stallions, crash against the shore. A living tapestry of history and culture. The Highlands are not just a canvas for nature's artistry. They are a living testament to Scotland's history and culture. Castles and crofts, tartans and traditions all weave their stories into the very fabric of this land. The Highland Games, with their caber tossing and bagpipe melodies, offer a glimpse into the vibrant spirit of these resilient people. The Call of the Highlands. In the Scottish Highlands, nature reigns supreme, and every twist in the road unveils a new masterpiece. Here the winds whisper secrets of the ancient Celts, and the lochs mirror the stars above. It is a place where the soul finds solace, where the heart finds home, and where the beauty of the world is laid bare, open to those who seek it. To wander through the Scottish Highlands is to embark on a journey through a realm untouched by time, where the natural world stands both as a source of inspiration and a true masterpiece, inviting all who dare to answer its call. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe.